In this section, we will talk about comments that are frequently used in the Python programming language. Before you go to the video, you can support us by subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Comments are used to explain the written code and make it more readable. Let's send a string to the console screen with the print command that we learned in the previous section. You can add comments with hash. Comments are ignored by the compiler. Comments can be added to the line with the code. A code can be commented out. Code converted to comment line has no effect. All code can be commented out. We may want to convert multiple lines into lines of code at once. You can convert it to a comment line using 3 quotes instead of a hash. Comment lines are generally used by most programmers. I definitely recommend using comment lines when developing any software. You can make your code more readable with comment lines. Thanks for watching. You can support us by subscribing to the channel and liking the video.